The natural world is full of surprises. Animals fight, feed, and flee in a delicate dance of survival, but some creatures have a darker strategy. They manipulate others from within, turning them into puppets. These are the mind control parasites, masters of manipulation. They hijack the bodies and brains of their hosts, forcing them to do their bidding. Imagine a world where your actions are not your own, where your every move is dictated by a hidden force. This is the reality for countless creatures infected by these parasitic puppeteers. Parasites by nature take advantage of their hosts. But some have evolved a truly astonishing ability. They can alter their host's behavior. This mind control is more than just a creepy phenomenon. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the complex relationships between different species. These parasites use a variety of strategies to achieve their goals. Some directly manipulate their host's nervous systems, releasing chemicals that alter brain function. Others hijack the host's immune system, turning it against itself. The result is always the same. The host's behavior changes in a way that benefits the parasite. Let's meet our first parasite, Toxoplasma gondii. This single-celled organism has a complex life cycle that involves infecting multiple hosts, but it can only reproduce in the guts of cats. So how does it get there? By manipulating the behavior of rats. Normally, rats have a healthy fear of cats. Their senses are finely tuned to detect even the faintest whiff of cat urine, a clear signal to stay away. But when a rat is infected with, something changes. The parasite alters the rat's brain chemistry, suppressing its natural fear response. The infected rat, instead of avoiding cats, is strangely attracted to them. It's a macabre dance orchestrated by the parasite. The rat, driven by an invisible force, wanders into the jaws of danger. This suicidal behavior is a windfall. It allows the parasite to complete its life cycle inside the cat, where it can reproduce and spread to new hosts. Our next stop takes us to the rainforests of Central America, home to the carpenter ant and its parasitic nemesis, the nematode Myrmeconema neotropicum. This nematode needs to get inside the belly of a bird to complete its life cycle. But how does a tiny worm living inside an ant convince a bird to eat it? The answer is as ingenious as it is gruesome. The nematode alters the ant's appearance and behavior. The infected ant's abdomen swells up and turns a bright, enticing red, mimicking a juicy berry. Birds love berries, and they can't resist this tasty-looking treat. The ant, no longer acting like itself, crawls out onto exposed leaves, making itself an easy target. When a bird swoops down and devours the berry, it unknowingly consumes the nematode's eggs. The nematode then completes its life cycle inside the bird, its eggs eventually being dispersed in the bird's droppings, ready to infect new ants. These are just two examples of the many mind control parasites that exist in nature. They highlight the incredible diversity of life and the complex ways in which organisms can interact. But these parasites are more than just curiosities. They offer valuable insights into the workings of the brain and behavior. By studying how these parasites manipulate their hosts, scientists can learn more about the neural circuits that control behavior. This knowledge could one day lead to new treatments for human diseases that affect the brain, such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. The study of mind control parasites also raises intriguing questions about free will. If a parasite can control the actions of its host, then what does it mean to be in control? These questions are not just philosophical. Some scientists believe that parasites could potentially influence human behavior in subtle ways. While the idea of a parasite controlling our minds might seem like science fiction, it's a possibility that deserves further investigation. The world of mind control parasites is a strange and fascinating one. It reminds us that nature is full of surprises and that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the world around them.